A former prosecutor says the Orange County District Attorney's Office is long overdue for a change. Peter Hardin has announced that he's running to unseat Orange County District Attorney Todd Spitzer next year. NBC4 investigative reporter Leonard talked with Hardin about what he thinks need to change, how he's going to do it, and why he's not like other justice reform politicians.
There's a vacuum of leadership in the Orange County DA's office that is a result of a whole bunch of outrageous scandals.
Peter Hardin says the Orange County District Attorney's Office is in need of new leadership and says after serving as an attorney in the Marine Corps and as a prosecutor in both the U.S. Attorney's Office and the Orange County DA's office, he's the best person to replace District Attorney Todd Spitzer.
This is just a rudderless office with a leader that goes for the headline but doesn't want to do the real work. Todd Spitzer has forfeited any little credibility that he had when he came into this office and is not fit for this job.
Hardin points to what he says were the mishandling of revelations that the constitutional rights of some defendants were violated when sheriff's deputies and prosecutors improperly used some jail inmates as informants, and that some evidence was mishandled during jail bookings.
It's time to turn the page. Orange County needs a new day.
Hardin says he's a reformer who wants to change the office's approach to almost every type of case, away from what he says is the over-prosecution of many low-level offenses.
That doesn't fix the underlying issues like homelessness and drug and alcohol addiction or mental health illness. It backfires.
Orange County DA Todd Spitzer appeared at Hardin's announcement in Orange and immediately compared him to LA County DA George Gascon, who's faced backlash from crime victims and law enforcement over decisions to reduce the severity of charges and punishment, even in many serious and violent crimes.
He has a gross misunderstanding of the public here in Orange County, and he misunderstands that people expect law and order. They expect to respect the police.
Hardin dismisses the comparison and says he's focused on reshaping the way the DA's office approaches cases to steer it away from constantly seeking the maximum charge.
I want to train and teach our young prosecutors and empower them to treat each case individually.
Hardin says he expected this immediate comparison to LA County's George Gascon, but says he's not the same person and does not have the same ideas. The election is in 2022. Reporting live, I'm investigative reporter Leonard, NBC4 News.